Okay. All right. Well, we just finished here at the Suki Market. I just made a video of the damage that was done around the building, inside the building. Now we're headed out. Gonna go get some lunch. We're gonna walk through town and I'm gonna roll the GoPro. All I can see is your back. I got the camera on. Well, let's check to see if this thing's actually on. Is it? Is the red light going?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
GoPro is on. Blinking?
Yeah.
All right. So everything looks pretty peaceful and normal over here.
When I come over this morning, they're so quiet. Something like
All right. Business as usual, huh? Hello. So this is a typical Tuesday afternoon. Walking westbound on the main road. Going through Alaminos City. Let's cut over here maybe.
Go.
That was nice of the security guard to let us go in there just based on.
I said you are doing vlog, and then we have video
Uh-huh.
a few months ago that inside the suki, which is good and nice, safe. So we need to update our vlog. What's happening here?
Yeah.
And then they said, okay, but don't go inside.
Yeah, okay. I mean, that's nice. They weren't playing hardcore or anything. They just Yep. I'm so hungry I can't even think about sweating,
You see?
or even think about how badly I'm sweating. All I can think about is my tummy.
So your camera is still working?
Which one?
GoPro.
GoPro is on right now. At least it better be. Yeah, it's on. Alaminos City is booming right now. I just opened up a barber shop over there across the street.
Closed.
Is it closed right now? Oh, that was fast. That was quick. Nice view of my wife's back.
Behind are you? I cannot stay behind you, otherwise they think that I'm your alala.
Yeah.
Or something like, oh, this island girl following the foreigner.
Yeah. Yeah, no kidding. Nice little bakery right there. Good stuff. We buy some breads and pastries there from time to time. The old CSI over there. Tech drivers everywhere. Jeepney driver, take me home. Toyota Land Cruiser coming up on our rear. Well, I tell you what, I'd love to have a Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser. That's a nice one too, look at that. Hell yes. How much, dude? I want to buy your Toyota. I'll take it.
You want to buy the Toyota?
Oh yeah, I love those things. FJ40. They're getting harder and harder to find these days. Uh-oh. Our favorite table is gone. Okay, RC Eatery. This is where we like to have our lunch. And our lunch we shall have. Alright, so here we are. RC Eatery. Down here on the west end of town. Usually come in here once or maybe at least once a week to graze. Usually I do the pork adobo, which I have sitting here in front of me. Pretty good stuff. Really, this is I guess you could say the inexpensive way to dine here in the Philippines. These local mom and pop eateries, they're pretty good. So it's kind of what we, just home cooked traditional Filipino food. You know, you get away from the Jollibees and the Chow Kings and come on in here and support these small business owners and enjoy their food, which I always do. I like it here, so cheap, that's the key, and tasty. So here's mama. What you got there, babe?
I think pinagoongan.
Tell me what you got.
I have some pinapaitan soup. This one.
Some who, where?
Pinapaitan soup.
Okay.
You don't know.
Alright,
This one pinagoongan and this one
adobo and our orange soda.
Yep.
So here we go, we're gonna dig in. Talk to you in a few. Okay, so we just finished our lunch here at our favorite local eatery here in Alaminos City. We're on the far west end of town, where we are at right now. Anyways, here's the owner. You are the owner, right?
The daughter of the owner, sir.
Pardon me?
Daughter of the owner.
Okay. And what's your name?
I'm Rosel, sir.
Roselle?
Yes, sir.
All right. How long you been working? How long you been in business here? How long has this been operating?
For 13 years, sir.
13 years. Wow. And you're open every day?
Yes, sir.
What hours?
From 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. 5 a.m. to 5 p.m.
5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's 12 hours. That's a 12-hour business day for you.
Yes, sir.
So wow, that's quite a day. Just take a quick peek around. Yeah, very nice place. 5 in the morning to 5 p.m. So you do breakfast as well? You do breakfast? Really?
If they're going to order breakfast meal, sir, we're going to serve you.
Okay. I promised only 4 questions, so I won't ask no more.
Okay.
I'll keep it simple for you. But no, they do this really well here. We come here quite often. So thank you very much. We'll talk to you soon. All right. Here's the menu. That's the menu. Mostly traditional style Filipino food. There you have it. Figure I'll go easy on her. Tripoli RC Eatery right there. There's the view. Looking eastward. And then this is the curve at the end of the drag here that takes you over to you go down this road, you go to Bani and eventually Bolinao and wherever else. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you soon. All right, bye-bye now.